सो हेलो एंड वेलकम टू आवर न्यू वीडियो। आज हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं अनबॉक्सिंग एक न्यू ऑफ रोड हेलमेट की। सो दैट्स द बॉक्स। अनबॉक्सिंग इज टू बोरिंग, लेट्स स्किप द बैड पार्ट। सो दैट्स द न्यू हेलमेट LS2 का MX701, द ऑफ रोड हेलमेट। सो ये आता है एक बैग में। लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस बैग एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट ऑल वी हैव इन इट। First of all, the back quality is super plush. It has the badging always ahead and the bag is superly built. Okay, so there is a second casing जिसके अंदर ये आता है and let's keep the bag aside. This comes with another cover जो आप अपने घर पे जब भी store करते हैं you can place it over anywhere, right? So now it is out. Let's keep the bag in the bag. Here it is. This is the LS2 MX701, the off-road edition, and they call it the Explorer. So that's not only thing you get in the box. इसके अलावा भी आपको कुछ accessories कंपनी साथ में देती है. Let's see them what they are. So I'm placing the helmet at the back. So this helmet comes pin lock ready and the company provides the pin lock in the box. So that's a great deal because the pin locks are itself quite costlier. I'm using Exor and SMK and I have to replace their pin locks. It's too damn costly. तो ये उन्होंने साथ में दिया है. There is one more interesting thing and I got to know about this when I was buying this helmet and I was quite surprised to see. There is one Allen key also into it ताकि आपको कुछ fitting करना हो, you find it. And this is the thing which I was talking about. So ये है एक neck pillow, right? Let me just show you what it is. Oh, it comes in a sleeve. Wow. So it has a sleeve to store it, and that's the neck pillow. So this is not your regular travel pillow. That's not for it. Many people don't know about this kind of an accessory. This is a helmet support. You can read it. It's a helmet support. So आप इसको inflate करके you can place it around your neck, right, like this, and it will be inflated. और helmet जब आप रखते हो तो आप long touring पे जब भी जाते हो, all the weight of the helmet is on your pillow and not on your head. So that's a great travel accessory. I guess this is going to be my go-to accessory whenever I'm traveling longer. So इसको inflate भी करेंगे, एक बार test भी करेंगे. But let's keep this aside. Let's switch to the helmet, which is the main part. Many people buy out helmets without thinking which kind of helmet they want, right? And I was using Exor का Apex Edition. Fantastic helmet. If you want looking for a budget helmet for a tourer, it's a go-to helmet. I will just drop down link for you to find that helmet. और वो helmet मैं हमेशा से use करता रहा हूँ, no problem at all. But उसके अलावा I wanted a off-road helmet because I have an adventure bike, the TRK 502. It's an adventure tourer. So I was in the market looking out for options. तो वहाँ पे आपको off-road helmets में there are two options. One is आपको बिना visor के helmets मिलते हैं जहाँ पे आपको visor नहीं होता. You have to put goggles on your head to ride, and this is purely for the trail riding. जब आप off-roads करते हो and you don't want these visor because that's a distraction, you just want to trail it and you wear goggles. Second type is the dual sport, and this is a dual sport helmet. इसके usage क्या है? One, this is a complete tourer helmet, and plus this can also get converted into an off-road helmet. So you can basically remove this peak, आप visor हटा सकते हैं, you can put the goggle and you can go on the go, right? Plus it has a dual visor. तो ट्यूरिंग के टाइम पे जब भी आपको सन वाइजर चाहिए होता है, दिस हैज़ दिस इनबिल्ट. What are the safety features of the helmet? Let's talk about it first. So this helmet is made by HPFC fiber composite. That's what the company claims, and this is too lightweight. बहुत कम weight है इसके अंदर, and the strength is phenomenal. और इसी का एक upgraded version आता है जो इसकी double cost होता है. That is a carbon fiber. That is even lighter, more strength to the shell. Safety features में एक और amazing safety feature जो मुझे लगा, there is a pull tab here. So इसमें आपको you can just put your finger जब अगर let's say in any emergency situation the helmet is on and the rider is on the ground, the person who is removing the helmet, they can just pull this tab, and when you pull it, the whole two sides of the padding comes out और easily helmet बाहर निकल जाएगा. Otherwise it's a snug fit helmet. अगर आप वैसे निकालने जाओगे it will be an issue. Okay, now moving on to how many vents you get on this helmet, because you're going to off-road with this or long touring, तो आपको ventilation चाहिए आपके head के अंदर, and so that you can go longer. So it is interestingly having a lot of vents. Let's count them, right? The first vent you will see on the helmet is on the front, which is this one, right? And the clicks, wow. The kind of materials they have used, the ABS plastic which they have used is amazing. And this is one. The second one is here. So you can see this looks like a fin, but that's a vent, right? Similar on this side. So here is the second vent. Done. And then on your top you will see there are 4 vents. So 2 are here and similar here. इसके अलावा 2 ऊपर हैं. So one is here and one is here. So these are the intakes, right? And where the air flows out is from your spoilers. यहाँ पे आपको 2 vents दिखेंगे जहाँ से हवा बाहर जाती है. यहाँ पे they have given, I think, yes, they have 2 holes here from which the air vents out from here, and amazingly from here as well. So पूरा जो air अंदर जा रहा है, that's going out from this helmet from these 6 points. इसके अलावा एयर की बात कर रहे हैं तो आई विल टॉक अबाउट द चिन कर्टेन ऑल्सो, बिकॉज दिस चिन कर्टेन इज गोइंग टू स्टॉप द एक्स्ट्रा एयर गोइंग इन. And if you're a vlogger just like me, you want to keep your mic over here, this chin curtain is a must. In one of my video I told what are the features you want to have in your helmet when you want to vlog. Definitely a chin curtain is a must. Let's talk about the other features of the helmet. So let's talk about the main part, which is the visor. So visor के अंदर you will find a small lock over here. जब आप इसको push करेंगे and you lift it up, then only the visor goes up. That's a safety feature for me because if there is no lock like this, what happens is long tours में ये helmet खुल के ऊपर जा सकता है. And one thing I observed is that there are no multiple settings. It's a free flow. So helmet कहीं पे भी यहाँ rattle करेगा. इससे better है कि you keep it locked. जब आपको use करना है, you just, it's a single hand operation. Earlier I thought it would be difficult, but from one finger you drop it and one finger you open it up, and you can do it with your gloves on. As you're talking about the visor, I already told you about the second visor which is here, और उसके लिए operate करने के लिए यहाँ पे आपको बटन दिया हुआ है, and when you open it up, it goes up, and this is the one. And one thing I appreciate कि ये पूरा नीचे आता है, तो आप ग्लास के अंदर से नहीं देख रहे हो. And now let's talk about the straps, right? So straps के अंदर there are 2 or 3 kind of straps I have used personally, right? There is one double D ring. My Exor Apex is double D ring. My SMK is again a double D ring. And this time they have given us a new way of unlocking. Now this is a pull tab. This is a pull tab. जब आप उसको pull करोगे, the strap is out, right? You must have seen these helmets. Like मेरे पास एक studs का helmet है बहुत पुराना when I was using Apache. तो उसके अंदर भी सिमिलर फीचर होता है, बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंट फंक्शनैलिटी टू इट. फर्स्ट थिंग, दिस इज अ रीइंफोर्स्ड मेटल. दिस इज नॉट प्लास्टिक. द रीइंफोर्समेंट इज क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग. प्लस दिस पुल टैब, यहाँ पे एक मैग्नेट है विच इज होल्डिंग दिस पुल टैब. मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा ये कि आप इसको यहाँ पे होल्ड कर सकते हो, एंड तो इट इज़ नॉट डैंगलिंग अराउंड. जब आप इसको खोलोगे एंड पुल करोगे, इट्स आउट. सो वेरी नाइस फीचर. आप ग्लव्स के साथ में कर सकते हो. डबल डी रिंग में एक प्रॉब्लम होती थी मुझे कि मुझे हमेशा वो डबल डी रिंग को आगे करके स्ट्रैप को और फिर पहनना पड़ता है. हेलमेट निकालते हुए भी सेम प्रॉब्लम. नाउ आई व्हाट कैन आई डू इज आई कैन जस्ट रिमूव द टैब, आई कैन होल्ड इट अप लाइक दिस, wear the helmet fully and just lock it in. So easy, so easy. This is going to be a game changer for me. चलिए, next feature is you can remove these the peak and the visor and make it a tourer helmet. That you can even do. उसके लिए they have given small screws. इसके पहले वाले edition which they used to call Explorer, this is Explorer Plus. उसके अंदर यहाँ पे कैप आया करती थी. You have to remove and then you have to unscrew. But इन्होंने directly इस बार दे दिया and they gave some vents to make it stylish. तो यहाँ पे आपको अंदर screw दिया हुआ है. You remove it, आपके ये दोनों चीज़ें बाहर आ जाएंगी and there will be a different look to the helmet. There is one more feature on this helmet, that is Eyeglasses Fit System. It has an Eyeglasses Fit System. If you wear eyeglasses just like me, लेकिन मैं riding के time पे नहीं पहनता हूँ, so this is not a problem for me. But if you're wearing eyeglasses, this is the only helmet in the market which is having an eyeglass fitting system. I will show you how. So nothing much. What they've done is यहाँ पे just here when your where glasses goes in, यहाँ पे इन्होंने कुछ cushions में cut किया हुआ है. I can feel with my hand, I can't show you on the video, so that your temples goes in smoothly and doesn't bother you by hitting your head. So this is the cool thing they have thought about the bikers. Great, right? And design elements में बात करते हैं. This for the vloggers, how this helmet is good or bad for the vloggers, right? Just like me, how I use it, my helmet vlogging. One thing, definitely air curtain, chin curtain is there, तो आपकी एयर ब्लॉक्ड रहेगी. आप यहाँ पे हेलमेट के अंदर फ्रंट में जो GoPro माउंट करते हैं, दैट कैन बी अ चैलेंज बिकॉज यहाँ पे वो बैठेगा नहीं. अगर आप ब्लू आर्मर का भी चिन माउंट यूज़ करोगे तो भी वो यहाँ पे सेट नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट इज द ऑल्टरनेटिव? पीपल यूज ईदर अ पैड ओवर हियर और यहाँ पे अपना कैमरा माउंट कर लेते हैं. इट्स अ साइड वे. It's little, what do you say, offset, लेकिन that's the only option. I have figured out that I'm not going to use the GoPros on my helmet because it makes the helmet heavy. मैंने अपना एक different setup create किया हुआ है that is going for the next video. That my setup is completely wireless. I put my action camera on the front and then my mics are wireless so I can use it. But you can definitely mount it over here. Some people mount it over here. I don't know why, but you can do all that stuff on your helmet. All we have talked about the features and everything, but the first thing which made me consider this helmet was the design. See how beautiful this looks. Like the amazing build quality, amazing finish. It's a matte color. Although I would have loved to pick up a gloss finish, but वो gloss finish इसके carbon fiber edition में आता है. But still, when I saw that carbon fiber edition also, that was having too many things happening because carbon fiber भी दिख रहा है, green भी है, black भी है, and then gloss भी है. But when I saw this, like this is so smooth, this is so elegant. The coloring pattern, मैंने बहुत सोच समझ के इस बार नियॉन पिक किया because my earlier setup was a red and black. I wanted a different color, so I went with neon and black. And this design is so mesmerizing. See, these fins looks so clean. These vents looks like an exhaust of a Lamborghini. Spoilers, then these spoilers at the bottom. One thing I forgot to tell is that this peak is adjustable even. So let's say you want to put. There are two level adjuster. One is this, and it is little hard to do that when you go back. This. So when you have to pull it, single hand, but when you have to adjust it, it's a double hand. Okay, let us remove the front film so that we can have a clearer vision of the helmet. So satisfying. So this one is gone, and on our visor 2, we have the film. Goes out. See. Now that's the look of a helmet. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it having all the elements which a helmet should have? And now let's wear this so that you can have a complete look of the helmet, how it looks when you wear it. So when I've worn this, I felt like the noise from the surrounding has subsided. My AC is on and I can hear my own voice louder. So ये तब होता है जब आपकी the sealing of your helmet is proper. With time, this can go off. आपको realize भी नहीं होगा ये हो रहा है. लेकिन इस helmet को पहन के मुझे ऐसा लगा कि it will be a very nice, what do you say, noise cancellation happening into the helmet. और intercom को तो मज़े आ जाने वाले हैं because intercom को ऐसा ही environment चाहिए होता है. So now I inflated the neck pillow. Let's see how you have to use it, right? So just put down this pillow like this, and you have to just remove your glasses. Put it like this. So what is actually happening? कि ये जो gap है between your the shoulders and your helmet, ये उसको fill in कर देता है. तो now helmet is actually resting on the pillow and not going on my head. This is how it looks. तो ये जब आप long tour करते हो, this is not going to be used on all the breakfast rides or small rides. लेकिन जब आप बहुत long tour करते हो and helmet पे आपको वजन लगता है, you can definitely use this pillow. I like this. Talking about the price of this helmet is costing 19,500 in India on multiple websites. You can order from websites. I got it from a local dealer, costed me 2,500 less, which is 17,000 the landed price. My budget was around 10,000. I spent little over because I got the pin lock and the other accessories in the bag, and that makes this a bargain. So that's it. That was our MX701 by LS2 Explorer Plus. This is the helmet is going to be used on my breakfast rides, on my small tours. For the longer tours, I have the Stealth Evo jacket paired with the Exor Apex. I will use that, but this is going to be a summer takeout for me. But any questions you may have about this helmet, just drop it into comments. I will be happy to answer. There will be new content coming in on the channel. We have just completed our Hong Kong trip and the Spiti trip. There will be videos coming out for it. Bye bye.